Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at the LG 52G930B UltraGear evo G9, a massive 52-inch curved gaming monitor designed for gamers, content creators, and power users who want an immersive desktop experience unlike anything else currently available. Right away, the headline feature is the stunning 5K 2K resolution of 5120 x 2160. This ultra-wide display delivers significantly more screen space than traditional 4K monitors, making it ideal for multitasking, productivity, simulation games, racing games, and immersive RPG experiences. Instead of using multiple monitors, you can comfortably manage several applications side by side on a single display. The 52-inch curved panel wraps around your field of view, helping reduce the need for constant head movement while creating a more engaging gaming environment. Whether you're exploring open-world adventures, competing in fast-paced shooters, or working on large creative projects, the expansive screen real estate provides a premium experience. For gaming enthusiasts, the 240Hz refresh rate is a game changer. Motion appears incredibly smooth, giving players an advantage in competitive titles where every frame matters. Combined with the ultra-fast 1 millisecond response time, ghosting and motion blur are minimized, helping maintain sharp visuals during intense action sequences. AMD FreeSync Premium support helps eliminate screen tearing and stuttering by synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with your graphics card. The result is smoother gameplay and a more responsive experience across supported games. Visual quality is equally impressive. VESA DisplayHDR 600 certification enhances contrast, brightness, and color performance, delivering brighter highlights and deeper shadows. Games, movies, and HDR content appear more realistic and vibrant, creating a richer viewing experience. Connectivity is another major strength of this monitor. DisplayPort 2.1 provides support for next-generation graphics cards and high-bandwidth gaming. HDMI 2.1 allows compatibility with modern gaming consoles and PCs. USB-C connectivity with up to 90W power delivery lets users connect and charge laptops using a single cable, reducing desktop clutter and improving productivity. The included ergonomic stand supports tilt, height adjustment, and swivel functionality, allowing users to customize viewing angles for maximum comfort during long gaming or work sessions. Overall, the LG 52G930B UltraGear evo G9 is built for users who demand extreme immersion, cutting-edge performance, and premium connectivity. If you're looking for a flagship ultra-wide gaming display that can handle gaming, content creation, multitasking, and entertainment at the highest level, this monitor deserves serious consideration. If you found this review helpful, check out the link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology reviews here on Gadgetverse.